Boeing. Now, Boeing, I actually put a trade in. I'm gonna show you guys. See what Boeing did. Perfect setup for me. This is perfect for me. So right here, I seen it on Friday, and I actually sold a put spread on Friday. I'm sorry. I got a pullback here, then a higher high. You know me, I come in with my fibs. I actually put this put spread on before the market closed. Let's throw a fib on there and we'll see what we working with. You got here. So you see it pull back right into my sweet zone. Then at that point, I'm looking at right here. Here's the low, high. Now, the next level up is 151.68. I'm looking forward to at least get to 158. So if you know, Boeing's been getting killed, right? Just bad pub, bad everything for the most part, and stock is showing it. Now, I mean, at some point you got to say you're looking for it to go up. At some point, someone may say, well, they keep getting bad pub. They basically got a duopoly. There's only like two plane makers. You got Boeing and you got Airbus. So, you know, eventually they're gonna get it together and they're gonna start back. They're gonna turn the company around at some point, right? But it doesn't matter what the ticker was. I just happen to be scrolling, seeing this setup. I'm trading this setup. I don't care what the stock is. Every time, low, high, low, higher, high. Boom, I'm in the trade. At that point, I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to get in the trade. In this, I just sold a put spread. You can see I'm out 26 days. Sold the 144, bought the 139, and let's see what it do. At that point, you can see the expected move for the next 26 days put us up right at 160. Look at my 1618, 158. So it's putting me like it's saying like the expected move will put you right there, and to the downside, it will put you right around 138, which is what? Right down here. So my fibs kind of line up with the expected move. It ain't no coincidence. Let's go look at SMCI. I was picking in and out of SMCI all week. I think I hit like 2 or 3 trades in there. Let's look. I can look at the last well, let me do the last it won't let me do the last 7 days. We'll do the last 30 days. So you can see I hit 2 trades in there. I don't know what that say $1 is. I think I may have closed one out to do something else, but you can see right here, I hit 145, hit another one for 47. That was just within like 2 or 3 days last week on the on the 21st, 22nd, something like that. Because I sold a put spread at first, and then I was like, I'd rather just have a put. Just sell a put in here. It's not an expensive stock. I don't want the wing. And then I know what it was. I turned one of them into a strangle. Like I sold the put, and then I sold a call on the other side. So, I just lagged into a strangle. And I still think the SMCI is going to go higher. So I'm going to leave that on my watch list and watch it. This may be, if I'd like to see a pullback into here. This may be a long-term buy in a larger portfolio. Just buy it. If I did do it, I'd throw a stop on down here below, like what, 17. I just say sell out of it at 17, and then put my take profit up here somewhere at 75. That's risking what, about $16 to make what, 40 bucks, something like that, 43, 42. I take them odds, them pot odds. And I like the setup. I like the chart and I like how it look. So, I got this week, we don't have a whole lot. Um, I would probably, if I'm just looking at what I'm looking to really trade this week, for me, it's just gonna be Boeing and SMCI. I'm bullish on both of those. Both of those got the right setup. SMCI, let's look forward to target $37 this week. Boeing on a slow week, it may just hit up here around 152. If it breaks through, then we're looking at the next level, 158. So those are the two I'll be watching this week.